Hi guys, me Zab. Today we are unboxing the little minis we get thingy. Pizza. Sorry guys. Okay, so we're gonna unbox it. This is Spider-Man with his new suit. This is more different because Spider-Man made this mystery counter. Let's see. This is Iron Man. So we're gonna put this up. There we go. Now we will see the characters. Now we know the mystery one. Our mysteries today is Peter Parker. Wait. I get some trouble going getting him out. My dad is gonna help me. For the other one, I want to put it. So guys, this is Spider-Man. This is Tony Stark. This is Peter Parker. He's the one who controls Spider-Man. He's the one who wears Spider-Man. Don't you know all that? Spider-Man is not, not the one. So he's the one. These is down here. My system is something we open up. This is 3 of them. Different Spider-Man, blue Spider-Man, and Iron Man. So these 3, they're not much flexible. They just get this done like this. Let's see the head. Oh, the body moves. Oh, you can change the body. Let's see what the back gets. Oh, it's like a zipper down and no logo. Let's see what happens if I flip this. Yeah, his back was in the front. Okay, you can flip their bodies. Now you can flip them back to the regular place. Now, so they're called little minis. Sorry, they're little and then big head stuff. Let's see if they can stack together. Man, they can't stack. I think Iron Man is made of glass. So, let's see if they can do this. Oh, Spider-Man can do that. So they can stand up while their heads down. That's so cool. So, let's see if they can balance like this. Let's see if they can do this one. This one. No, they can balance together. So these again, we just unbox them. The box. Here's the box again. Here goes the box. This is the back, and this is the background. Now, so this is the logo. Spider-Man, Homecoming Spider-Man, it's about to show. Yeah, this is the Spider-Man. It's very new. So we will just unbox this. So let's put them back together and let's repeat. Let's see what let's see. It's a spaceship on our. You can. These again, don't want to say, but yeah. Let's see if we can make this. I think this one gets to do like this. I think, yeah. Okay, they can't do that. So yeah. Okay, bye. Comment below and check out more Quiz Sublime Paw Patrol was shoe bots and anything. Okay, bye.